Nobody likes to smell unpleasant odors, especially if they come from someone else's feet. And if you are to blame, there's nothing worse than having to deal with the embarrassment of having stinky feet. This health condition can affect the daily lives of many, reducing their social life, especially if it's related to being at the gym or outdoors during the summer maybe, or in a situation where shoes needs to be removed indoors. The good news is that a daily hygiene routine can have the power to eliminate stinky feet and get rid of the embarrassment we all fear of having. So in today's video, I reveal the best natural ways you can eliminate stinky feet caused by bacteria and fungus naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of Landivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, to my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of important quality supplements for your disease, visit Landivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share some tips and video links related to this topic. What exactly is causing my feet to smell? This is a question anyone troubled with stinky feet should be asking themselves before they go through the embarrassment and having someone else ask them. And although most of us have suffered this at some point in our life, there are many reasons that can be solved naturally. For some, it might be bacteria. For others, even fungus, or for others, even some type of shoe they are wearing that is not the appropriate one to get rid of those stinky feet. So in today's video, I'll reveal the best natural ways you can eliminate stinky feet caused by bacteria and fungus naturally and effectively. Number 1, keep your feet dry. For many, stinky feet usually appear when a person suffers from excessive sweating for a long period of time. Humidity and heat are the best 2 ingredients needed for stinky bacteria and fungus to grow anywhere in the body. And this is why one of the most effective ways of dealing with stinky feet is done by making sure your feet stay dry all the time. That's simple as that. You have to make sure, 100% sure, that you are dry or have those dry feet the way you need them. This not mentioning the importance of using a good amount of soap when you wash your feet every day in the shower. Also very crucial. Now, once you're done showering, sit to the side of the bed and dry your feet with a separate towel that you've been using to dry yourself, your entire body. Once you've cleaned your feet and dry them, then you can apply some powders, maybe even something like, I don't know, sodium bicarbonate to make sure that bacteria and fungus do not grow. If you need something natural that can help you with stinky feet and at the same time eliminate fungus and anything that might be growing causing you to smell anywhere in the body, look for Ken Defense and I'm Defense from Finland at Landivar.com. Number 2, use baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is also known for its ability to absorb moisture and odors. It can help a lot. Apart from this, it has demonstrated its ability to kill odor-causing bacteria and fungus. You see, baking soda is an alkaline substance that raises the pH of your skin and any liquid to which it is added. This is important because no living organism, including bacteria or fungus that may be causing this smell, is able to survive with the presence of baking soda alone. If you'd like, you can also add some of this substance to warm water and have a foot bath every day for approximately a month. It can help a great deal. This will make sure that your entire feet and nails see that effect of baking soda penetrating all over your system. So very simple. Baking soda in powder form and a warm bath with it. That's all you need. If you need a good quality supplement you can use to make sure that you have healthy bacteria in your body, look for Probillion and D-Berry from Finland at Landivar.com. Number 3, rotate your shoes. Shoes are another very important cause for stinky feet, sometimes even more important than feet themselves. You might be surprised. This may happen because certain shoe materials favor the growth of fungus and bacteria. And now a very simple way of preventing or avoiding this from happening is done by not wearing the same footwear every single day and rotating them. Changing your shoes can really help avoid shoe odor. And in addition to those stinky feet, make sure you eliminate them. You can also rotate 2 or 3 pairs per week, or maybe even wash some of them before you use them again. That way you make sure that no specific odors or bacteria can stay there and cause this problem once again. As simple as rotating them and keeping them warm, keeping them dry, even if you have them or use them every day. If you need something natural that can help you improve the odors you produce on your skin, look for Thistle Essence and Appleizer from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a home remedy that has tens of uses in natural medicine, and treating stinky feet is one of them. Not many people know this, but it is. One of the easiest ways to use apple cider vinegar is with a foot bath. This cheap but very effective type of vinegar, which by the way is not your common apple vinegar, is very powerful for curing health conditions all around. To use it, you can prepare a foot bath made up of 1 part apple cider vinegar and 1 part water. That's all you need. And there should be enough fluid in a basin to cover your toes completely. You can wash them, you can clean them, that's all you need. If you want to see better results even, you can try using warm water every day with that foot bath. You can do this 2 times every day until that odor goes away completely. Now for some people, you have to maybe take a 30-minute bath every day, but that's okay. You can try any way you can that fits best for you. That is what will work. If you need something natural for this purpose to make sure that your body does not grow any fungus and anything that might be causing these odors, look for Can Defense, I'm Defense, and Probillion from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, change your diet. Diet has a direct impact on the way we smell, and people have no idea. For example, Dr. Robert A. Kornfeld, founder of the Institute of Integrative Podiatric Medicine, says that diet and lifestyle changes can be very helpful in controlling foot odor. Now, obviously, if you're eating junk food, if you're eating, for example, let's say something healthy, garlic, your feet will smell like garlic. Believe me, they will, especially if you eat lots of it. And the same thing happens if you eat junk food or if you eat things that are not healthy for your body and your body cannot do its job to make sure that you smell properly. Do not eat junk food. Change your diet. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Make sure that your body can function properly, and that way you will have the odor you want. If you need something natural that contains more than 50 natural ingredients, vitamins, minerals, and probiotic supplements to make sure that your body functions completely, look for Green Shot, which you can take in a glass of green juice every day naturally at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by giving thumbs up and sharing with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or on an appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos to stop infections that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.